Hello, welcome in this session. In this session, we are discussing about the Edward Lee Thorndike and their learning theories. Edward Lee Thorndike, a great American psychologist and a teacher in Teachers College in Columbia. He considered as first educational psychologist and known as the father of educational psychology. He was president of American Psychological Association. He gives law of effect, means behavior that are followed by good consequences, good result are likely to be repeated in the future. Identify three main areas of intellectual development. First is abstract intelligence, related with the thought process, is ability to understand different concepts and events. Second one is mechanical intelligence, means ability to use different equipment and tools. Third one is social intelligence, related with understanding and making social relationship adjustment and live with harmony. First time Thorndike declared the connectionism theory in learning. It is happen between stimulus element and response element, and this connection promotes learning. This connection result in individuals learning. Thorndike performed their connecting learning experiment on different animals like hens, cats, fishes, dogs and monkeys, and on the basis of these experiments develop concepts of trial and error learning. This is also known as learning by selecting and connecting. Edward Lee Thorndike emphasizes reinforcement theory and behavior analysis. In this book or doctoral dissertation, Animal Intelligence, an experimental study of the associative process in animals, and find some assumptions about human learning, although the experiments are performed on animals, but their results be made for human learning. Thorndike believed that instruction should pursue specified socially and useful goals. Thorndike's law of learning, he understand learning is incremental. Learning occurs automatically or incidentally on the basis of experiences of the atmosphere or environment where any organism live. All animals learn in the same way. Thorndike law of learning, on the basis of their experiments, Thorndike develops law of learning. The first five are primary law. It includes law of effect, means if an association is followed by a satisfying state of affairs, it will be strengthened, and if it is followed by dissatisfying, discomfortable state of affairs, it will be weakens the bond or connection between stimulus elements and response elements, which is related with learning. Next one is law of exercise or law of use and disuse. It means the more often an association is used, the stronger becomes. The longer an association is unused, the weaker it becomes. It means the exercises make more competent and happens causes more learning. So we involve students in exercises. Law of readiness and unreadiness. The readiness to do organism make a strong connection resulted in learning, and its vice versa also. Unreadiness is resulted in not learning or unlearn. So next one is law of belongingness. Learning is easily happen when situation of learning and responses have closeness or belongingness. It states rewards or punishment to be maximally effective must be relevant to the situation. Law of spread of effect or law of effect. This law states behaviors followed by a reward or positive reinforcement are more likely to be happen in the future, whereas a behavior followed by punishment or discomfort are less likely to happen in the future. Response that have satisfying result are happen again, and also its vice versa. Response produce discomfort are less likely to be occur in future. Secondary law, some law or secondary law like law of multiple response. Problem solving through trial and error. An animal try multiple responses. If the first response does not lead to success or specific state of affairs. Second one is law of set or attitude. Animals are predisposed to act in a specific way. It is responsible what he do and with what he satisfied and what he not satisfied. It is depend upon their attitude. So learning is directly associated with the attitude of learner. The next one is law of prepotency of element. An animal can filter out irrelevant aspect of a problem and focus on and response only to significant element of a problem which is related with their life and satisfaction. Next one is response by analogy. Response from a similar content and context may be used in new context or in new problem. It is changed into learning. Associative shifting, shifting a response from one condition to another or one situation to another situation by associating with it with that conditions. Law of recency, that means the most recent response is most likely to occur. Thank you.